Hey folks, today we're talking about Solenza New York, a site that claims to sell stylish shoes at big discounts. But is it the real deal or just another online trap? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So here's the scoop. Solenza New York has been getting attention lately, but not in a good way. A lot of users have flagged issues like late shipping, no tracking updates, or items that never arrived. Some even say they got completely different products from what they ordered. Trustpilot doesn't seem to list all of them, which is usually a red flag when a business claims to have tons of happy customers. Also, I couldn't find the official website, which is odd for an active online store. With no Trustpilot reviews, no verified site, and a bunch of bad feedback floating around, Solenza New York looks more like a scam than a legit store. I'd stay away unless you like gambling your money. If you've ever ordered from them, let us know how it went in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real reviews, no sugar coating here.